Welcome back everyone. In this lesson we are going to talk about video recording. Playwright offers the possibility to record videos for each of your tests, and this can be very easily achieved, as I'm going to showcase here. We are going to use our sign in existing user test, and in order to add video recording to our test, all I need to do is navigate to Playwright Runner and add some properties to our browser context. Now the properties, there's actually only one property that's required to enable video recording, which is set record video directory. And for this I'm going to set the path to, let's say, videos, like so. Now another property that I could set will be record video size, which will store the resolution of my video. Let's use Full HD for this. And this is all that's required to record the video for your test. Let's give this a try. I'm going to run my test, and my expectation is that after this test will run successfully, I will have a video folder with a recording of my test. Let's wait for this to finish. And it's done. Okay. So over here I have this videos folder and I have my new video. Let's try to open it. So videos, let's give it a try. And here is my test. Now, some notes that I would like to make. You don't have the ability to record videos and traces if your test only fails, for example. So right now the default way it works, each time a test will pass or fail, it will record a video. You have no way of specifying, I only want the videos to be recorded if my test fails. The same goes for traces. This capability is enabled in the Node.js version of the library, but for Java this functionality is not available. So we will explore in the next lesson a way we can go around that and implement that ourselves.